Hello, how to solve x power 3 equals 36. Solving for all values of x that satisfy this equation. Now we have power 3 here. I can easily express this as x power 3 because of this 3 here. I raise this to the power of 3, and this equals 36 to the power of 3. Now the next thing I can do is to replace this x power 3 here with a, and this is b. Now, if you have a to the power of a and to the power of b, this is the same thing as writing a power b to the power of a. So applying this right here, that means the 3 here will come inside the bracket and this will go outside because this is our a and this is our b. So we are simply going to maintain this base here, which is x, and this raised to the power of 3, which is the b. We have 3 here. And this is raised to the power of x to the power of 3. And this equals 36 to the power of 3. So from here, if you observe, we have x power 3 here, which is the same thing as x power 3 here. Now, this 36, I want it to be the same as this exponent. So I'm going to have x power 3 raised to the power of x power 3. And this equals 36 is simply 6 power 2. And this is raised to the power of 3. Now, if you have a power n raised to the power of m, this equals a power n times m. So you can multiply this exponent. So I'm going to have x power 3 raised to the power of x power 3, and this equals 6 power 2 times 3, that is 6. Now, if you have a power a raised to the power of b power b, that means you can have a equals b. So from here, I can say x power 3 equals 6. I can solve for x. So what I can do will be to eliminate this 3. And to achieve that, I will have x power 3 raised to the power of 1 over 3 equals 6 raised to the power of 1 over 3. Now remember, a power n raised to the power of m equals a power n times m. So multiplying this out, we are going to have x power 3 over 3 equals 6 power 1 over 3. And remember, 3 divided by 3 is 1, so we have x equals 6 power 1 over 3. And this is our answer. Now, we can consider this identity. If you have a power 1 over n, this equals the n root of a power 1. So 6 power 1 over 3 is the same thing as writing x equals the cube root of 6 power 1, which is simply the cube root of 6. So we can leave our answer this way. Now, let's consider checking for this value of x. I check my x is a cube root of 6 or 6 power 1 over 3. And the question is x power 3 equals 36. So I'm going to substitute this for x. So we'll have 6 power 1 over 3 raised to the power of 6 power 1 over 3 raised to the power of 3 equals 36. Have you seen that? And remember, if you have a power n raised to the power of n equals a power n times m. So multiplying this exponent out, I'm simply going to have 6 power 1 over 3 raised to the power of this. We'll multiply out, and 3 divided by 3 is 1, so we have 6 left here, and this equals 36. Now we make use of this same identity again. A power n raised to the power of m equals a power n times m, so we are going to have 6 power 6 times 1 over 3, this is 6 over 3, and this is 36. So from here, 6 divided by 3 is 2, so we have 6 power 2 equals 36, and 6 power 2 here is 36. I have 36, and this equals 36. So this shows that the answer is obviously very correct. And that is it, guys. Thank you and goodbye.